Hello guys, welcome back to my new channel. So on my previous channel, I make a video about the Clownfish Voice changer, and I got a lot of comment that uh, some of them they try my tricks and each work, and some of them are there so happy about it, and some are not. So today I'm going to make this Clownfish Voice once again. I'll try to make sure that this time your system will work. Alright, so let's go ahead and download the apps from the Google Chrome first of all. Okay, so once you open from the website Clownfish Voice Center, alright, just scroll down. Everyone knows how to download the application, the software. So I'm using Windows 10 Pro. All right, so some of them are using Windows 7 or 8, and even they are commenting on the video that it's not working and all. So I'll prefer you to use Windows 10 Pro. Okay, so if you're using the Windows 7, you just upgrade to Windows 10 Pro. All right, there's a lot of Windows for free version, and I'm gonna download the middle one. All right, 64-bit. Okay, and if you're using Windows 10 Pro, and if you have 32-bit, all right, you can choose the right one or the left one, but I'm going to download the middle one for my system. Okay, so I just download it. All right, okay, so here I'm using this voice meter for my recording. So once I open this one, everything gonna shut down. The system sound control will be shut down. Okay, so once I complete it, once I uninstall this my software and all, then I will open it, the voice changer, the apps like this kind of. So I'll show it from there properly. Okay, what's step by step, don't do mistake. All right, so let's go ahead and install the apps. So I'm going to turn off this one.
Okay, so now you have installed the Clownfish Voice apps application on your system. All right. Wait. Just turn up.
Clear effect. Okay. Sorry about that. So I just install and I just open the Clownfish Voice app just now. All right. So I'll show you. I didn't touch anything. Okay. I just install it and I just open the apps in this way. Once you open it, it will not pop up like this. Okay. It will not pop up like this. You have to click down here and the right click. Okay. Right click and you go to set voice standard. Okay. Set. Once you open the Clownfish Voice from here, the apps, the automatic, it will turn on. All right. You don't have to do all from here. It will automatically turn on. All right. So the tick mark here, hear music and song. Just check the mark here. All right. Do not uncheck this one. Okay. And go to this one. All right. So here we go. And I'm going to taste the song. All right. After that, I will show you the setting. All right. Just hear it each work. I didn't touch anything. Okay. Okay, guys. So I forget to tell you the most important part. Okay. So I just clear the effect.
Now it's working. Okay.
It's working. Okay. Now it's
This is male voice.
female voice, But if I turn on, okay.
If I turn on my hear on voice, all right, right click. If you want to hear your own voice just to taste, all right. It will at the time of recording or at the time of streaming game and all right, it will give you echo sound. Okay, so you must turn off this one. Now I'll turn on and it'll lot of echo noise. Okay, so you guys will hear a lot of echo noise because I'm recording while you're recording or streaming game. All right. So wait.
So while you're recording your voice from the OBS or streaming on YouTube or any kind of platform, all right, it'll give you echo sound if you turn on this one. All right. So please do turn off this one while you're recording or where you are doing something on like recording or on streaming. Okay, turn off this one. I received a lot of comment that my system is giving echo sound, this and that, right? So while I'm recording from OBS, all right. If you turn on that, hear my own voice. This one, yeah.
You guys will hear your own voice. This one. You guys, it will give echo sound. Echo.
All right. So please make sure that please turn off that to hear your own voice. Okay. Okay, guys. So here, just listen to it. Okay. Just I'll taste it. I'll turn off. I'll just hear my own voice. Okay. And I'll go for the male voice.
Hello. It's kind of big voice, big deep voice, right? I'm using this voice meter, but you don't have to use this. If you want only the Clownfish Voice, I have to turn off this headphone. So if you want only the Clownfish Voice, okay, you don't have to use this one. Voice meter is just to for the bass voice, and also I'm just using the voice meter, so you don't have to use this one. Only if you want only the Clownfish Voice, download it. Okay, and I'll go for the male voice. You hear it, and the
female voice. Hello. Yeah, you can hear the female voice, right? And the helium.
And this is the baby. And this is the baby.
Radio robot. So
I'll just turn off the effect. Okay, I'll just clear the effect and later I'll show you the setting. Okay.
So the thing is that once I install this apps, once I download it, it automatically work. I didn't set up anything. Okay, this is default setting. Okay, this is default. So I'll just show you the default setting. This the first one here. Microphone is to hear your own voice. Okay, right click and setup. Okay, setup. If there's any mistake and if it is not working, all right, you have to go to the setup and you have to do as I set up here. Go to setup and play on and off sound should be marked here. Go up here, system integration. All right. So on the previous video, video about these apps, I just go for the SFX mode, right? So each work on the last video, but this time I download it and it worked on the first one, GFX. It's work from here. All right. So I just download it and it's automatically set up. I didn't touch anything. I didn't do anything. Okay. So the first one is that here you have to install your default microphone here. Right. This one is installed. Okay. You don't have, if you're using line in Realtek means like you have a headphone and you have 2 jack and you have to like plug in from your system on the back side and all, right? So if you have that kind of microphone and headphone, you have to install this one. Okay. All right. And if you are using a basic normal microphone, all right, you can install this one. It'll pop up. I'm using mono this, yes, mono microphone, so it'll pop up this, the first one, USB. If you're using USB, it'll pop up USB. All right. I know everyone know how to choose the microphone, what kind of microphone you're using. It'll pop up here, so just choose that microphone. Okay, and install it. Okay, so this time it will work. Okay, every system, all right, everyone have problem. I don't have it's not working on my system, this and that. I can hear, I can, it's echo sound, this and that. Everyone is commenting, right? So this time, once you download the application, install the application in your system, and you must restart. First of all, you have to restart your computer. All right, and after that you open the apps. All right, you open the app, this one, just test the
male voice,
Female voice.
helium, ganda,
and
it after installing and open this Clownfish Voice, this dashboard, and it's not working. If it is not working, go to here, right click and set up, go to the system integration. All right, you have to make sure that it should look like this. Okay, GFX. All right, click on the GFX. All right, and choose your microphone. First of all, choose your microphone. Ignore the last one. Okay, ignore the last one. I'm just using this plugin. Okay, this is not for you guys. And if you want it, you can download Voicemeeter as well if you want to use it. All right, for the deep bass voice and all, like I'm using. All right, if you want that. But yeah, don't ignore the last one. And I'm using the middle one, microphone, Realtek audio install. All right, so it should work. All right, this time it should work. All right, and I'll show my Windows sound system. Okay, device manager. Let me see. Let me show you guys. There's no secret behind over here. So this is my sound driver. You need to check your sound driver as well. Okay. So I'm using HD webcam, and this is graphic card and all. So the Realtek, this is your microphone. I mean, this is my microphone. If you're using different, if you what kind of microphone you're using, it'll pop up here. Okay, and you must, if it is not working, you must try update driver or disable. All right, after that, enable the device, or you can uninstall the microphone, restart your system, and the system will restart the device. Okay, you can try all everything's. Okay, these things. Okay, so you need to check this device manager as well on the sound setting. This is my setting. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know this video is kind of long video, but I hope you get it, and I hope your system will work. All right, and if it is not working or it's worked, please comment below. All right, and please do subscribe to my new tech channel. All right, I'll be uploading a video in every week. All right, a new trick about PC and any kind of tricks. All right, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.